Hi guys, this is Angie with lovesavingmoney.com. Today I'm showing you the Happy Cornerz pest control trap. It is basically a sticky trap that can be used multiple ways in just about any surface or room of your home. They are made so that you can put them in corners, you can put them in cupboards, you can put them on the floor, wherever your pest control problem is the worst. So when you have them, it's just a flat sheet like this, okay? And you can see where there's perforations on here. You can break them apart and make a piece that goes into like your wall corners or corners of your cupboard. And then use these separate pieces as flat traps to put into corners on the ground or on the ceiling. And I have one broke apart already for you here so you can kind of see how it comes apart. Now this part is going to go into the corner, and you can see there's kind of little flaps that help you to stick it. And I'm actually going to show you how to install one here in a few minutes. Just to give you an idea here too, how you can use it. And you can actually use it as one big sticky area too. So like, let's say you have a cupboard where you have ants or whatever it is that you're dealing with, and you just want to put it down and just trap as many as you can. Well, there you go, you can do that. Just going to show you a couple example pictures from the brochure they sent me. You can see how it goes in different corners, but I'm actually going to install one here now. So we're going to install the Happy Cornerz sticky trap up in, this is the corner of our garage that goes up to our family room. I have the sides folded. We're going to go ahead and peel the sticky back off. Okay. And we're going to install this up in, really is sticky. Oh boy. We're going to install that up in this corner like so, and I'm actually surprised, like even on these rough walls, it's still sticking really well. Just kind of pushing it into place to make sure we got everything. And there's a corner one installed. Okay, so we have a piece of the flat trap left from the other trap that I installed. What we're gonna do is, I'm down in my basement right now. We're near like where the cat food and stuff is. So we're gonna go ahead and just lay one of these flat traps up in the corner of the shelf here. Oh, it's very sticky. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this can be mounted on a bottom corner by putting it on this shelf down here. So again, you have the folding flaps here with the perforations. We're going to go ahead and peel this back off. It is pretty sticky, so it takes a minute to get that paper off, but once it's off, it's going to stick. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and mount this on a bottom corner here. So we're gonna, whoops, sorry, wrong way. We're gonna go ahead and put this in this bottom corner of this shelf here. And I did wipe it off a little just because it was kind of dusty over here. But you can see even with a little dust, with having the cement walls and the wooden shelving here, it still sticks pretty well. So we will come back and check this in about a week to see if we actually caught anything in our traps.